Health experts advise everyone, regardless of your skin color, to use sun cream with an SPF of at least 30. Although dark skin people won't get sunburn as quickly, they will still burn and are still sustainable to sun-induced damage such as sunspots and wrinkles. Sunburn can affect anybody. Thank you.
What I waited for, oh, you make me touch the sky when I'm down. 'Cause when I'm with you, I'm fine. When you go, I'm sad. I like my life with you. 'Cause you're my one love, and I'm not saying that.
Hello people, welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday again. We are here to talk about sunburn. As you can see, here's my picture. It has happened to me. I've experienced it and I hope to share, and this video will help somebody out there because sunburn is not a thing one will wish to experience. Sometimes we underestimate it. So before we go, what is sunburn? Sunburn is red, painful skin that feels hot to the touch. It usually appears within a few hours after too much exposure to ultraviolet, which we also can abbreviate as UV light from the sunshine or artificial source such as sun lamp. Home remedies can usually provide sunburn reliefs, and sunburn would usually take a lot of days to fade away. It happens, but with a good old remedies you can easily help out. So what are the risk factors of sunburn? Anything that happens to our skin, there is always a risk factor attached to it. Risk factor is the same thing as what infects. UV light exposure that results in sunburn increases the risk of other skin damages such as dark spots, rough spots, dry or wrinkled skin. It also raises the risk of skin cancer. What are the symptoms? The symptoms of skin burn. Number one, you have a changes in your skin tone. Your skin feel very warm and hot to touch. You have pains. You have swellings. You can also have some small fluid-filled blisters. You can get headache from it. You can get fever, noise, fatigue, and painful eyes. Sunburn can happen very easily, but knowing the precautions and how to prevent it, and when it happens, what remedies can help it. I think this video is very useful one because now we are in summer, which we in Nigeria call dry season. We shouldn't underestimate it that we have brown skin, you have yellow skin, you have blue skin. Sunburn don't have anybody that it cannot happen to. It's just that maybe in the brown skin it can take a longer time before it can affect that person, but sunburn affects everybody. When to see a doctor when all these things happen? Number one, when you are having a fever that is over 40 degrees, when fainting is attached to it, when you are dehydrating, when you have unbearable pains. Please, when all these are happening, please go see a doctor. How can you prevent sunburn? Number one, avoid sun exposure between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Avoid sun tanning and tanning beds. Always cover up. Use sunscreen frequently and generously. Apply water resistant sun cream and lip balm with an SPF of 30 at least or greater. Protect babies, protect toddlers, protect yourself. Wear sunglasses when you are outdoor. Sunglasses is very important. When you are buying a sunglass to prevent yourself, always buy a sunglass that have UV protection of at least 100%. You can always ask the sellers of the sunglasses. Always ask them, don't underestimate sunburn. Sunburn can even burn your eyes. And another, beware of sun sensitizing medications. Talk to your doctors about that. So luckily we have lots of natural products, home remedies, your kitchen recipe, what you can easily get your hands to that can help you when you have sunburn. It will help you to cool it down. It will help to avoid the serious expansion of the skin of the problem, so that it will not go too much. These are the home remedies you will have to use when you have sunburn. Number 1, cool water. Cold bath, but don't scrub the skin or use bath oil, soap or bubble bath. Just cold bath. Number 2, cold compress. This is to reduce the heat, pains and swelling. Wrap an ice pack in a soft tender towel and place it on the area. Number 2, moisturizer. Once your skin is cooled, please apply alcohol-free product. Aloe vera gel, the gel inside the cactus plant. This can ease discomfort. It can also speed healing and moisturize the skin. Please, one thing you have to know about aloe vera gel, some person's skins might have allergic reaction to aloe vera. Please test it on a small patch of the skin first. Number 4, honey. Use honey to rub the area where you have sunburn. Number 5, oat meat belt. That kind of cooker oat you use for your breakfast, you can also blend it and put inside water, or you blend and rub to the affected area. Chamomile tea, black tea or green tea. You make tea, you allow it to cool down, you soak it in a soft towel and place it on the affected area. Coconut oil. You can use coconut oil to rub the affected area. Also, your baking soda or cornstarch, you can mix it with a little water to make a paste and apply it to the affected area. Drink plenty of liquid to avoid hydration. Eat fruits and vegetables with high water content, example watermelon and cucumbers. So my people, that is all for today. Please try to enjoy the summer without sunburn. Sunburn can affect anybody regardless your skin color, your skin type and your look. Always remember to put it at the back of your mind. Protect yourself, protect your child, protect your baby. Sunburn is real. It can happen to anybody. Thank you once again for watching. I'm so happy. See you guys next Wednesday, 6 p.m. Central Europe time. Bye for now. Bye.